Hi, it's Matteo from Flyability, and we are here today in an underground mine to perform a narrow stope inspection and mapping with the Elios 3 drone and surveying payload. The stope is currently under use, so we were tasked with assessing with engineers the optimal blast planning and assessment. We'll then come back with the drone to plan for backfill and reclamation processes. Once we reached the stope entry point, it took about 2 minutes to set up the drone and get ready to fly. Unlike handheld scanners that require you to scan from several entry points, significantly adding to your mapping time, mining UAVs like the Elios 3 can be deployed within minutes from a single entry point and perform a complete map of your stope. This transforms a 2-hour job into a 10-minute inspection. Also, the flexibility of flying inside the stope with a drone meant that the point cloud we collected has 100% coverage of the stope and zero shadowing. Much better than what the surveyors used to be able to collect within the very same stope. At the same time, being able to deploy the drone 15 meters away from the ridge made the inspection much safer compared to having to walk much closer with the handheld scanner.
When we flew in the stope, the main objective was to be able to do a modelization of the entire stope, be able to calculate its volume. This way we know how much they have extracted from the mountain already. The other objective was to collect visual data for the geologs. This way they can understand the structure of the stope and how to plan for the rest of the work. For the volumetric scan, the idea is to fly into the stope, do a 360-degree turn at the bottom of the stope, then we gain about 20 meters, we do another 360-degree turn, and we can fly down and out of the stope. We don't need more than that when we have the drone with the Rev 7. So for the visual inspection, the idea is to fly into the stope, fly around the stope to be able to have a pretty good view of the wall at a distance of maximum 5 meters with full lights.